Imagine a world without soap. How would you get clean? This question isn't just a hypothetical scenario, it's a glimpse into our ancestors' daily lives. For thousands of years, humans managed to stay relatively clean without the convenience of modern soap. Let's explore how they did it. In ancient times, water was the primary means of bathing. The Indus Valley Civilization, which flourished over 4,000 years ago, built elaborate public baths for steam bathing. While steam helped, it wasn't enough to eliminate all odors and grime. Before soap became commonplace, people used a variety of natural materials to clean themselves. Plants, animal bile, oils, and abrasives like sand and wood ash were common ingredients in early cleansers. These materials helped remove dirt and oil, but they weren't as effective as modern soap. The earliest written records of soap-like substances date back to around 2500 BCE in Mesopotamia. The Sumerians used a mixture of water and sodium carbonate, a salt derived from plant ash, for cleaning. Later, the Akkadian Empire developed more complex mixtures using plants like date palm, pine cone, and tamarisk. In ancient Egypt, people used natron, clay, and soapstone in their bathing routines. These ingredients had some cleansing properties, but they were far from the soap we know today. The ancient Greeks and Romans took a different approach. After rinsing with water, they would cover themselves in scented olive oils. Then, using a curved tool called a strigil, they would scrape off the remaining grime along with the oil. This method was as much about masking odors as it was about cleaning. Interestingly, many of these early soap-like mixtures were primarily used for cleaning textiles rather than human bodies. It wasn't until much later that bathing with soap became a routine practice in the Western world. The shift towards regular soap use for personal hygiene didn't occur until the early to mid-19th centuries. Several factors contributed to this change, including the increased availability of inexpensive fats, the Industrial Revolution moving soap production to factories, and a growing emphasis on public health and sanitation. Today we take soap for granted, but its widespread use is a relatively recent development in human history. From steam baths to oil scraping, our ancestors found creative ways to stay clean. While their methods may seem primitive to us now, they laid the foundation for the hygiene practices we enjoy today.